What's up, guys? This is Shane with Bass Thumbs Fishing. Today I'm going to be taking you guys out on the water. We're here at Paris, out here in California, and it's a beautiful day out here today. I'm out here with my brother-in-law Wade, and today I'm going to do like a little review on the water and hopefully try to get some fish on the boat. My main point of attack is going to be we're going to hit top water in the, like right now, up shallow, hopefully on a popper. And then I'm going to back off and do some drop shotting and maybe some deep cranking. So yeah, stoked to have you guys out here. This is my first time kind of vlogging one of our trips in a really long time, and I'm just excited to be here.
Perfect.
So right now we're going about 4.1 miles an hour. Usually when it's really calm out, I can get almost 4.1. I have the 45-pound thrust, so I should have got the 55 maybe. I would have maybe got another mile an hour, but 45 still works fine. One of the things I really want to show you guys today is it's one thing to get to a spot. See that right there? It's one thing to get to a spot, but it's another thing to stay on a spot, and especially with this wireless remote, I'm able to really stay on a spot pretty good. Video that I'm going to be making soon is going to be not a spot lock, but a GPS pinpoint for the Motorguide. I got the chip coming in the mail, and I just install it on the motor, and I'll be able to have an anchor, a GPS pinpoint anchor on my motor, so it'll just hold me in one place. And once I have that pinpoint motor, once I have the pinpoint GPS, it's gonna be really, really easy just to really just stay on a spot. So I'm really curious to see how well it's gonna keep me, you know, in one spot. Yeah. Oh, I'm on. Yeah. Gosh dang it. Dang it. Popper. I'm on. Stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned. 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 Yeah. Oh yeah. This is where it really just keeps me on a spot. I mean, look how easy I was able to make that adjustment. Just by the click of a button. I don't have to sit down, I don't have to grab my paddle. Stay down. Stay pin. Stay pin. There's one. Alright guys, well we caught 4 fish total, but I lost one at the boat. You guys will see that where I lost the popper fish. Today obviously we hit Paris. They were hitting the crankbait. Tried drop shotting for them, but nothing seemed to be biting. But we only spent about maybe 4 hours on the water. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. And I look forward to the next one. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.